my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of like a combo video of a haul because I have some Dollar Tree items, some Target items, and some things that I found at Ross. And because it wasn't a lot of items in one particular store, I just decided to combine them all in this one video. And a lot of it is fall related because, you know, I'm decorating my house for the fall. And so I couldn't wait to share with you guys what I found at each store. So in case if you're looking to decorate your house for fall, you'll be able to find things, you'll be able to know where to go to find things if you like what you see in this video. Now, as I told you guys before, I'm more into glam, but for some reason I'm like really starting to get into farmhouse. I know everybody's always into the farmhouse look, and I kind of like that style, but I wasn't really liking it to bring it into my home. But coming with fall, it kind of goes with fall, especially with the white pumpkins and the light green pumpkins and all those other things. So I am bringing in some farmhouse style into my home. So I think that my style is not necessarily going to be farmhouse or glam. It's going to be like farmhouse glam because I still like my glamorous things. So I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree stuff first so I can share with you, you know, of course, the cheapest things. And then I'll tell you what I got at the Dollar Spot, the Target Dollar Spot at Target, and then we'll jump into the Ross. So yes, let's just jump right into Dollar Tree first. So the first items that I want to share with you guys that I got from Dollar Tree is, of course, some floral things, because if you're going to do anything for the fall or anything decor wise, you always need some flowers. And Dollar Tree has gotten really better at making their fake flowers look real. And so at first I was going to go very neutral because you guys know I love my blues and my whites and my grays. And I actually shared with you guys some stuff I found at Dollar Tree for the fall. There was like an orange pumpkin, and it's because of that orange pumpkin and that orange pumpkin decor piece that I decided to bring orange into my home this year. And I have to, you have to admit, what's fall without orange? And I love the fall. That's my favorite season of the year. And so I was like, I'm going to give in and bring the oranges back in my home, and I'm going to incorporate them to make them work with my blues that I already have and my whites. So the floral stuff, you can't really find a lot of greenery in Dollar Tree, so that I will show you what I found at Target. But for Dollar Tree, I did find these light, it starts with a D. I'm not even going to say the name and mess with the name so people can be like, no, you said it wrong. They start with a D. And they're these little like beige flowers. And I like them because I felt like if I incorporate them with the orange ones, it would tone the orange down a little bit and incorporate with my whites. And then of course I picked up some maple leaves, and I decided to pick up ones that were more into like the orange than the yellows, because I don't want to bring too much yellow in. I just want to bring in that orange feel of fall. And then I also picked up these other maple leaves, but this one had berries to them. So I picked up 2 or 3 of each of all of them. So I have, again, the maple leaves with the berries that look like this, and they're so cute. And like I said, with the little beige that's in it, with the berries, it kind of tones down the orangeness and that makes it so bright and kind of goes with the neutral colors. And then just the maple leaves themselves, and then these beige flowers. And so you're going to see in an upcoming DIY, I'm going to use these sets. I'm trying to get them in the camera for you. These 3 sets of flowers throughout my home to decorate for fall. Another thing I got to decorate for fall is these like floral, like hay, I guess like just hay, like straw, I guess. And so I'm going to use this to decorate some parts of my house to go with the pumpkins that I'm going to be DIYing. And I figured that this is so farmhouse and so fall-like because you could put this in any basket and you'll see them in upcoming DIYs what I'm going to do with it. So I picked up one because they only had one, but I'm still on the lookout for some more. So some other things I picked up at Dollar Tree, and it wasn't fall related, and they've been there for a while, but I decided to pick them up, this time because I'm doing a DIY, is these little mermaid letters. And I am doing a DIY and I need this size letter, so I picked them up, and I got the H, the E, and the M because, stay tuned, there will be an upcoming DIY that has to do with these letters. And so yeah, I just picked them up for a DIY. Another thing that I was on the lookout for Dollar Tree that I have seen on somebody else's Dollar Tree haul, I finally found them and I was so happy to find it. It was these little bulldog figurines, and I was so happy to find them because my daughter loves Frenchie bulldogs, and my sister and my niece have Frenchie bulldogs. So I bought this gold one for my sister because everything in her home is like gold and red, so I knew she would love that. She just got herself a girl Frenchie bulldog recently, so I thought this would be cute to get for her little one. And then since my daughter loves dogs so much, I got one for her room, and you guys know that Ariana decorates her room in like blues and silvers. So I got these, but they also have them in white and I believe black, but I just got the gold and the silver. Another figurines that they just had out that are like popular that people would talk about is these balloon animal figurines. And I seen other ones. I didn't like the other ones, but I did like the elephant ones. And basically, like I said, it's a balloon animal looking elephant, and they had them in gold, silver, white, and I don't know if I saw them in the black one, but I got two of these and I kept them on hand because I might do a DIY with them later on. But I also wanted to have these on hand because these are great to give as gifts for baby showers or for a baby's birthday. You know, everybody likes to decorate their baby's room in elephants, so I just picked up two to have on hand in case I want to put as a little gift to have, like I said, for a baby shower or a baby. Another figurine that was popular that I've been seeing all around and that my daughter wanted me to pick up for her was this XOXO ceramic, well, glass figurine, I guess, yeah. The silver one, and she wanted this for her room because my daughter, my oldest, Ariana, is going to start a channel soon, and her channel name is going to be XORI or RIXO, I forgot what she said. And so when she saw this, she thought this would be perfect for her channel to represent her channel name. And so she wanted this in the background, so I decided to pick it up for her. They only had a silver one left where I was at, but like I said, they also have them gold and white and I believe black as well. Now, if you guys have seen my Dollar Tree hauls before, you guys know that I hauled a while back those My Blocks, like Lego type of blocks, and also the bases that go with them that they have at Dollar Tree that I said that I love so much, and I believe that they're way better than the actual Lego brand, because when my kids put the things together on those bases and create stuff with those My Blocks, they stay together, as opposed to Legos, which I've bought so many different sets of Legos, and when my daughters put things together, the slightest touch breaks them apart. So I love those My Blocks way better than Legos. But when I had found them a while back, and I actually made a DIY traveling My Blocks thing, and if you guys haven't seen that, I'll put the card up here so you guys can see that. And basically I made a travel game for my kids with the My Blocks so that they can, you know, play with those on long car rides or even airplane rides. But when I went to Dollar Tree before, they had the bases, they had the blocks, the Lego pieces, and they had 4 different type of cars, and I think a helicopter of the different, you know, things that you can put together. And then they came with like little half people to go with that car or the helicopter, whichever one it was. And I will put a link to that that haul down up here too, and also down below as well, so you guys can see how that looks if you're on the lookout for that. But I always said that I was on the lookout for like the little people. Like I hope that they had people that went with these Lego sets so that, you know, I could complete the set and not have to buy any Lego people to go with them because they're more expensive. Well guys, finally I found them. They finally had them at Dollar Tree, and they had 4 different sets. And actually, hold on, I forgot the blue one. Okay, I got them all. I had originally the 3 in my hand, so I had to get the 4th one. But they had 4 different kinds that you can get, and not only was it for $1, but I would have paid $1 for one for the Lego people, but they actually had them 2 for $1, guys. So go out there now. If you did get those My Blocks and you want the people to go with them, they have them out now. And so the first one that they have is, this one is it says a girl / doctor, and it's the pink. You'll see it's pink on the top, and then like I said, it has, you know, the 2 for the $1. There you go. And so you have the girl and the doctor one. Then they have one that it has the red top, and it is the space person and ninja, and that's how that one looks. Then they have the one that is a yellow top, and it's a fireman and a construction worker. So that's how that one looks. And then the last one, it has a green top, and it is the military and policeman. So again, I was so happy. I bought 2 sets of each of the different styles that they had, and I can't wait to give them to my girls so they can actually play with them with their Legos. And I like to have Legos and different types of toys in my home, even if though my girls might not play with them and they're too old for them, because I love it when I have parties, and I want it to be where people can bring their kids. And so I always try to make my playroom fun for their kids of any ages so that they can be entertained, so that my guests can have fun as well. So this is great to have, like I said, even if you have older kids or you just want to have something to keep kids entertained when they come to your home when you're throwing parties. This is great because I mean the My Blocks are wonderful, they're cheap, and now they have the people. So if you haven't got those yet, go to Dollar Tree and go see if they have the My Blocks people there now. So now I'm going to share with you the things that I picked up at the Target Dollar Spot. Now even though they say Target Dollar Spot, it's not a dollar. It's either $1, $3, or $5 depending on what you pick up. And it's funny because I've only seen it's always 1, 3, and 5, so they never have like a 2 and a 4. So I guess they go by the odd numbers. But basically I'm going to share with you first the thing that I spend the most on, and it was this garland that I actually spent $5 on. But usually, if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know that I do not like to spend that much on garland or floral. I try to get everything from Dollar Tree. But I have not seen a garland like this at Dollar Tree. If they have had it at Dollar Tree, it hasn't been in my area, or if they did have it at the time, I didn't want it at the time. So anyways, I really wanted it now for my fall decor, and it was this garland right here. And I just love it because it has the brown in it, and it's green, but it has white like specks in it, like white frost, or I don't even know how to describe it, like white. Like if you take that spray snow in Christmas, that's what it looks like. And that's what I love about it, because it looks so farmhouse, it looks so fall-like to me, and it's so muted to where it can go with the whites and the grays in my home, but add that little touch of greenery. So I love this so much, and I was actually looking for this for the past 2 weeks in different places, like different Dollar Trees. I have 4 Dollar Trees in my area, and I couldn't find nothing similar to this. I was even trying to find something that maybe was green and I could paint, add some white paint. But I couldn't, so I just bit the bullet and I just decided to pay $5 for it. And I actually paid $15 because I bought 3. They had 3 left, and I bought 3 because I have so many DIYs coming up that I want to do for my home, this kind of farmhouse in fall, that I feel this will look so beautiful in. And yeah, I usually don't spend this much on garland or flower, but you guys know this is beautiful and it's kind of hard to find. So yeah, so this one was the most expensive one that I spent, or the most expensive thing that I bought at the Target Dollar Spot, and like I said, it was for $5. But look at how beautiful it is, and it can go with any farmhouse decor or any fall decor for your home or outside or anywhere. The next thing that I saw that it was so cute that I had to pick up was this little pumpkin that has like the same type of greenery inside it. Now this was $3. And normally I wouldn't pay, again, like for a small pumpkin like this, I wouldn't pay no more than $1. But if you think about it, it's the pumpkin is colored and it has this greenery in it. So I figured that this is actually a good price for it. Now, even though I'm liking the green colors right now, and even like the muted green pumpkins, which I'm going to share with you another one that I got, I'm not feeling this type of green against this greenery. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to paint this white before I decorate it. And then I will share with you guys how I decorate my home for fall, because this is going to be incorporated along with the garland. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to touch it up with white because I just feel like it will go better. But this is actually pretty by itself. But just for me, I just feel like the pumpkin being white will make this pop a little bit more, and just, I don't know, just be a little bit nicer. So the next 2 things that I got at the Target Dollar Spot, and it was actually the last things that I got, were some pumpkins. And now they did have some pumpkins that were $1, $2, and I mean $1, $3, and $5. But I only got the dollar ones because I feel like I could get, like I showed you guys in my other Dollar Tree haul, which I'll put the link up here. I showed you some beautiful pumpkins that Dollar Tree had this year, and they were for $1, and they were actually bigger than the pumpkins I'm showing you right now. So I just couldn't see myself spending no more than $1 on those pumpkins. But Dollar Tree didn't have these colors, so I got this one. This little light green one, which is really, really pretty. And I got 2 of each of both of these. And this light gray one. And so I love it because it's very farmhouse. It's very neutral colors, like what my home is decorated in. And they look so beautiful with the orange pumpkin that I bought at Dollar Tree. Let me get it for you. Like this one. This one from Dollar Tree is so gorgeous. I think it's so beautiful. And these 3 paired together, I feel, are so beautiful together, and you will see them in my home, decorated in my home. And I actually paired these 2 pumpkins up with a Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree plaque I showed you, one of the plaques that I showed you, or I don't know if I picked that one up and I did show you guys, but you guys will see it in the upcoming fall decor. But these 2 were $1. They did have another pumpkin that was bigger with this same muted green that I love, but it was $3, and I felt like it was almost the same size as this one, so I couldn't see myself paying $3 for a pumpkin that was almost the same size as this, just because it had this color. So, but yeah, if you wanted these pumpkins, they're at the Target dollar spot. Okay, so now we are into what I got from Ross, and it was only 2 things. I kind of stopped myself because in Ross, I'm kind of putting myself on a budget because I am really decorating for fall and kind of switching up my colors, and so I don't want to go broke trying to decorate for fall. But so I only decided to buy 2 major things that I wanted right now from Ross, and it might be more later on this month and the next coming month for my, you know, for my fall decor, so stay tuned for that. But this pumpkin that I saw, I just had to have it. It's so beautiful, guys. And it's this orange pumpkin right here, and it says grateful. And I love it because the oranges I'm decorating with, I want it to be not like that bright, like, I would say like sports color orange. I don't like those oranges. I'm loving these like toned down oranges with these gold. Like the ones that are paired up with the gold, like the one I just showed you from Dollar Tree. I'm loving these oranges. They pair so beautiful with the neutral tones. And the fact that this one said grateful on it, it was so, I mean, I had to pick it up. Now this was $6.99, which I thought was wonderful, because if you ever gone to those home stores and or even in Ross, because there was another one that was like $12.99 that was like the same size, you would see stuff that is way more. I've seen pumpkins that are like this size or smaller, and they're like 20 bucks. So the fact that I found this beautiful orange pumpkin that had the gold stem and it said grateful in gold for $6.99, oh yes, I was picking it up. So they had 2, and I just decided to get the one, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have got the other one and give it to my sister. I don't know, I might go back there. But I love this pumpkin. Look, you can see it right here. It's a very, you know, like the, I don't know how you say it, like it's skinny or long right here, and then like fat on the top. But it's a very beautiful pumpkin. So if you are liking this style, go check out your local Ross, because it is beautiful. Now I have 2 Rosses, and I didn't find in the first one, so I had to go to the second one. So check out your local Ross stores if you want a pumpkin like this. Now the last thing I'm going to share with you that I picked up at Ross was such a cute thing that you have to have for fall, because I feel like it just goes with fall. And it is this wooden crate. And what I love about this wooden crate is that it has gray tones into it. So it's not that brown crate. It's not like the ones that you would see with the dark browns. It has the gray tones to it. And if you guys have seen my clean with me videos, if you guys have seen any type of videos where I do downstairs in my kitchen, I have gray tones in my house. So I love this one, and I plan to use it in my entryway table to decorate for fall. And this was only $8.99, and I thought that was a good price, because I saw other crates at Ross that were the same size, that they had them for $12.99, and it was that dark brown, and I thought that this color was way better, and I feel like this color is more popular and it goes with farmhouse. So, but I'm not complaining, because I only paid $8.99, and I think it's really good. It's a sturdy one. This is how big it is, and it comes with these little these rope strings. So what I love about this also is that not only am I going to use it to decorate for the fall, I feel like I can use it to decorate all year round, because it goes with that farmhouse style. So if I keep that farmhouse glam in my house, I can just basically decorate for the seasons in this. And so you will see this in upcoming, when I share with you guys how I decorate my home, how I'm going to use this to decorate in my home. And that's how it looks right there. So that is it for my Dollar Tree, Target, and Ross haul. Stay tuned, because you guys will see some DIYs coming up soon, and also I'm going to share with you guys how I decorate my home. But let me know down below, guys, your fall decor ideas, because I am kind of stumped. I'm trying a new farmhouse feel type of decor ideas, and I need some ideas. So let me know in the comments, guys, some of your best farmhouse fall style ideas for me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.